Hello everyone, welcome to imedia. Today I bring a new video. It's something to learn new. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe and like it, comment. So today I'm going to show you how to trace a cable, how to track a cable or trace. Also you can test the cable connection. So usually it's coming with a wire tracker. One is transmitter, the small one, and the other one is receiver. So it's usually this is very easy way to find the cable for tracing the cable. So how it will work is just connect the cable to transmitter. Then on other end, to just press the receiver. When you touch the cable, it will give beep sound. So this is how it works. I'm going to trace the cable, this cable in other side, on the rack side, in patch panel. So you need to on this tracer on test mode. Okay, then this connect the cable, which cable you want to trace. Okay, so I'll give you the sound. You can trace on the other side. So you can hear the sound. So this cable is in this section, it's near here somewhere. So we need to find which cable is that. So in patch panel I'm going to check each port. So this is the port, seventh one. So this is how you can find the cable easily. So you can connect the cable from here to switch for making connection.